Nature comes to life during the monsoons, and as much as we love the rainy season, it comes with its own challenges. Hello, all, welcome to Easier Living. Monsoon is a time when you take extra care of your clothes and accessories. Only organizing them in the wardrobe is not enough, as the actual care is beyond that. During monsoon, even the best of closets tend to become home to moisture. The damp walls of your closet risk fungi infecting your clothes and giving them an unpleasant smell. Today, let me share with you some simple DIYs that you can do to keep your stuff and wardrobe safe in monsoons. Place dried neem leaves in your closet. This age-old trick keeps all kinds of microbes away from your clothes, keeping them fresh all the time. Placing incense sticks is a simple and effective way to freshen up your closet. Your clothes will smell great when you follow this hack. Grate used and dried leftover soaps in a bowl and leave the bowl open in your closet. Grab some clothes from your kitchen and pack them in a small hamper. This will make your cupboard smell fresh. Place a muslin bag filled with camphor, or just crumble the camphor and sprinkle in the closet. It not only has a pleasant smell but also absorbs moisture. Placing naphthalene balls between your clothes keeps insects and termites away from your clothes. You can also place fragrant sachets like these for a pleasant odor. Baking soda helps absorb moisture from soft furnishings and clothes. Just place a pouch of baking soda and add a perfume of your choice to the bag and place it in your closet. It smells great. Place a bowl of chalk or a jar of rice in your closet. You could also place a pouch of salt. They are all excellent moisture absorbers. This video will be available in Telugu soon. Hope these hacks are useful for you all in monsoon. Stay tuned for more videos like this and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.